Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix the application encountered an unrecoverable error in Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open or click the start button and search for device manager. Okay. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the display adapters right here, and you should see your driver. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and right click on that, and let's just go ahead and click on update driver. Now just go ahead and click on search automatically for drivers. So once you've clicked on that, it will automatically update your driver. So now once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the close button and exit this tab. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click again on the start icon and search for run. Okay, so now just go ahead and type percentage local app data percentage, search that, and just go ahead and find the temp folder right here. Just go ahead and click on that. Then just go ahead and search for Roblox. Okay, so let me just go ahead and do it again. So you should see your Roblox right here. So in some reason I don't have the Roblox folder right here. So let me just go ahead and go back at the local tab. But if you have the Roblox folder right here, you just need to delete it. Okay. So let me just go back here and let's see if I have the Roblox right here. So here it is. So just go ahead and right click on that and delete this. Okay. Click on delete. So let's just go ahead and wait for this one. Okay, so let's just go ahead and wait. And now as you can see, the Roblox folder is now deleted. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and empty your recycle bin. Click on yes. And then now what you need to do is to just go ahead and wait for this. And let's just, after this, you need to clear the cache on Google Chrome. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so while we are waiting, I'm going to teach you on how to clear the cache on Google Chrome. So just go ahead and open your browser. Click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. And click on Cookies and Other Site Data. You want to scroll down until you see All Data and Permissions section. Click on that. And in here you should see the Roblox option. Okay, so right here. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the delete bin and click on clear. Okay, but I won't do that here in this tutorial. But you need to do this if you want to fix your problem. Okay, so now once you've done that, just go ahead and let's just go ahead and check. So now your cycle bin is now empty. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and search for roblox.com, and you need to install again the Roblox player. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and do that. So I will be back after I've installed the Roblox launcher. Okay, so now once you've installed the Roblox launcher, just go ahead and search that here on your start icon. Go ahead and right click on that, click on open file right here, properties, click on compatibility apply, and have a great day.